Well, good morning and welcome again to another video basic fishing. As you can see, back on the kayak, but after my last trip on the kayak, I'm very apprehensive on what's gonna happen. But I thought it would be worth a shot today. After all, it's been a while since I've done any kayak mission. I'm just really hoping for some kingfish to turn up today. But in saying that, that might be a tall order. So I should warn people that I forgot to bring my windstocks for my GoPro. So if it's noisy because of the wind, I apologize. I could not remember to bring my windsock, but we're out here now and there's nothing I can do about it except, well, go with what I've got. Anyway, for today's mission, I want to try hunting for kingfish again, but I'm not sure if they are around, because even though I've been fishing here during the prime times of the year, the last 2 months was really difficult. Nothing but hammerhead sharks over and over again. But I hope that today that could change. If I can at least get one red kingfish, I would consider that a success.
Hello everyone and welcome again to another kayak fishing mission from Basic Fishing. The last few months of kayak fishing was tough, mainly because there were too many people stirring up the water, pulling the fish off the bite. Unfortunately, I ended up fishing on the wrong day, which was a public holiday, and you'll see why.
Caught on a sabiki. Oh, there's some signs at the bottom now. Looks pretty fast. There we go. Please be Jack Max. Yeah, looks like Jack Max. Yeah, first Jack Mac. Oh, close safe. All right, first Jack Mac on the bowl. And now let's collect a few more. Oh, Jesus. On a bite? I don't think it's a Jack Mag. It could be a Snaps. Oh, no. Ah, damn it. There's some signs at the bottom. They look like snapper signs though, but let's see if I can get another Jack Mac at the bottom. Oh, there's some. Yep, there is something below. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to set my drag. Get this to the bottom. Wind it up a little bit. Set my clicker. And now we are officially in business. Oh, yeah, yep, there we go. Oh, it feels like a snapper though. Oh wow, look at that. A snap on the sabiki. Well, this has happened before. Oh. Wow, look at that, very thick sign at the bottom. Well, it's either that or my live bait just going all berserk, or it's a big fish going after my livey. On the sabiki. Could be a snaps on the inchiku, but in case it is, I'm fighting it very gently. I might switch on to the soft plastic. Whoa, jeez. That looks like a borderline legal. I'll have a look. Oh, it might be actually. That's actually pretty impressive. First snapper on the sabiki rig. And it's legal. Check that fish out. Well, maybe just legal. Ah. Anyway, he's the first one, so he's going back. Soft plastic of choice today. This is a mood ring curly tail color from Z-Man on a quarter ounce worm hook. The reason I'm going with this is because there's not much swell at the moment, so I'm not drifting as fast, and the natural color in this situation would work perfectly well. But it's not just natural, but also a slightly darker color, and I heard that in murky waters the darker color seems to be a bit better. But I'm hoping that this will at least get something for me today. It's gonna get very swelly. If this area doesn't produce, I might have to drip back over that area. Finally hooked up in the shallows. It's not legal, but still, after a while, you're just glad that you got something out of this. Oh, look at this guy, he's spewing up yabbies. Ow. Good fish. There it is. It's not illegal, damn it. What I simply did was I just let this fish I just left the lure at the bottom, let it very still, and I nailed it. This guy, damn, he's barely hooked at the lip of the mouth. And now they scared the fish away. Jesus Christ. It's insanely hot, and the fish aren't as active, so I'm going to be switching this to a micro-sized TRD minnow. I'm not exactly a big fan of using small plastic, but situations like this can make a big difference. Well, in a stealthy approach, but because of these boats, it's impossible. I finally hooked onto something solid, I think. Feels solid. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yep. Oh, looks very borderline-ish. A measure. This is another borderline snap. Looks very similar to the one I caught earlier this morning. But I want a bit bigger one. So he's lucky to go back. A solid hookup. Not sure if it's a legal fish, but it's putting up a good fight. That took me by surprise. No, it's not. Bloody hell.
Obviously that session was a tough one and I didn't have much luck, but still managed to get something out of it, but decided to release those 2 legal pennies. But on my next trip, it was much, much better.
Hello and good morning, and welcome to another video basic fishing. As you can see, I am back on a kayak, but unlike the other trips I've been having, this is not the weekend. I was a bit skeptical to come kayak fishing because of the unsuccessful sessions I had over the last couple of weeks, as I would have showcased to you all, but because it's the weekday and no one was around, it seemed like a good opportunity to ignore. And the signs are pretty thick. Like just now I hooked into a small bait fish, but they're not big, so I'm just releasing them. But over the last couple of minutes I've been seeing a massive activity of fish congregating around here, so very excited. I mean, I originally wasn't gonna target kingfish today, but with the sign of bait fish around, it just seemed too good to ignore. So I'm hoping to oh god, that's a good one. Yeah, with that in mind, I'm hoping to land a good fish today, whether it's snapper or kingy. Regardless, I hope to get something out of today. Oh yeah, that's a good. Oh yeah, 2 mackies. That's good. Oh wow, that's a good size one there too. Oh yep, that is exactly what I'm looking for. Deep water was not producing, and the live bait that I had, I decided to discard it. I think it was a bit too small for my liking, and I'm gonna be heading over there near where I first started. Jesus, because the majority of the fish I've been finding are just so small. It's just not worth the effort to drift down continuously, and because of the wind blowing me in this direction, I want to be fishing right upwind, so that, you know, I'll be drifting downwind. Of course, I wish something was biting already. It's just been frustrating. Anyway, I'm hoping the shallows will produce me something good, both in wise of a kingfish and a snapper. But I think at this stage I might have to just think of the kingfish mission as more of a constellation prize, because so far it's not been a great success at all. Shallow. It was a bit rough and windy out there, so I'm kind of glad I decided to make the move to fish closer in the shallows. It's only 6 meters here, but I really don't know how this is gonna go down. Really hope that I do get something. I mean, I was soft baiting before, and I felt some taps, but nothing stuck on, unfortunately. I might even try live baiting, even though I think it's a big waste of time, just in case the fish are around. I mean, With a sign like that, how can a fish ignore anything around here? They hooked up. It's not a big one. Still, after I think nearly 3 hours of just bloody nothing, got something. I think it's a small penny, but boy, do they still fight hard. They've all been ignoring the big soft plastic, or they've all been going for this micro jig. Hooked right at the corner of the mouth. Small little guy, but I'm hoping there are bigger ones out there. Finally hooked onto something good. Oh yes, this could be it. Oh man, finally. Oh, there's something around. Not sure what this could be, but feels pretty good. Oh, finally. Oh, finally. That's a keeper right there. Oh, yes. Well, my long wait has finally come to an end. Got it on this. Oh wow, just at the nick of the skin of the lip. Oh wow. Finally got myself a keeper. Really good size one too. I saw a splash on the water too, so there might be some activity around here, but finally got myself a good fish to take with me. Oh God almighty. This took a lot of work, but that was great, especially on the new Saber 2. Oh yeah. Another fish again. Don't think it's that big. Still pulling drag. Oh. Oh. Okay. This might be a keeper. Oh. Oh, it's just really, really powerful. Oh. Let's see how big he is. I'm curious. Jesus. For a small fish, he pulled surprisingly hard. A while, but I finally hooked up again. It's very tiny, whatever this is. There it is. The kingfish is still not to be. And I'm hoping I can change the next few minutes. I guess it's always hopeful thinking. Still hoping I can catch some more fish, but that's not exactly turning out to be productive. Yep, another fish on. Not sure this is bigger, but snapper fishing and light tackle, it's always fun. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Oh wow, it's pulling a lot harder than I expected, either because this fish is green or it's a good sized fish. No way. Oh yeah, he looks borderline-ish. Oh yeah, I think it is legal. Ah, Jesus. He took that, he sucked that soft bait right in. That was a really good take. See how big he is. Oh, what do you know? He is legal. I guess I'll be keeping this fish also. Oh, finally. That's great. Again. Whew. Again, it's not big. Just go dragging him in as we speak. But he's gonna be fighting pretty hard as he can. There it is. There we go. Oh. There we go. Strong fight as he snaps. I mean, look at that. Especially in the shallows. Ah, jeez. One. And I always try to wet my hands when handling these fish, especially if they're undersized, just so that... Ow! Oh my god! Oh, you little prick! God, that really hurts. Ow. Oh, you got me good. I just... Oh. Oh, that really hurts. Ah. Hooked onto a good snap. Ah. Here we go. Oh, I love it when they just come out of nowhere and the hook stays on. Oh, jeez. I hope this is not a legal fish. Oh my god. What the hell? He's dragging me to the shallows. That's how powerful this fish is. Whoa. Oh jeez, what is with this water? Oh my god. Whoa, jeez. Oh, that's not a bad sized fish. That's really good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's a better sized fish. Uh-oh. Well, it looks like my luck is... Wow, look at that. Right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, jeez. Not a bad fish. Look at that, the tiardi minnow right in the corner. Oh, this is a good sized fish. This is the best sized one of all. Shallow water, soft plastic fishing delivers. But yeah, he will be coming home for dinner. I may not be getting the kingfish, but I'm finally getting back into the snappers again, which is always great. Another hookup. Oh, the fishing is kicked up a bit now on the snapper fishing. The king fishing has been terrible, but good numbers of snappers. Oh, I mean, this one's not big, but still, it's always good fun when they hit the lure when you least expect it. I did not hook up into another fish because look at that, my clip is just busted open. Oh jeez. And I also hooked into the lip of the snapper as well. Well, I'm glad I did not hook into another fish because that is never a good sign. Oh, looks like I have to dispose this clip. Oh yep. That feels like a good one. Oh, please be a keeper. Woo! Oh, might be close actually. Oh. Tiardi minnow doing the trick. Oh, he might be very close. This tiny soft bait has been catching me fish all day. So glad that this worked. Oh, wow, he's stuck in there. He's stuck in there. That's for sure. Yep, that's legal. This is a legal fish. Yee-hoo! Keep her alright.
So as you can see, this session was much better. Although at the start it was very tough, I was able to find what was working, thanks to the tiardi minnow, which was a skinnier profile compared to the usual soft plastics I use. But still, thank goodness I had them. And thank goodness my dry spell ended with 4 keepers to take back with me.
For the outro from here. The session was, well, it was slow at the very start, but as the day progressed, I was able to get into some edible size snapper, which was great. I feel like my dry spell is finally over on catching fish for the table. Over the past couple of months, it was really hard because yeah, it was just too hot and too many sharks and too many people in the water. So it feels great that things are finally looking up. Although my kingfish hunt has been a fail, I am gonna persevere again. Oh, and hope that, jeez, I lost it. Hope that I'll be able to land my first kingfish on live bait on the kayak, which would be pretty cool. Anyway, I hope everyone have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fishing videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you all next time.